It's week 2 of the ankle mobility challenge, and wanted to give you some new things you can do at home to work on this ankle mobility so that hopefully when we're done with this challenge in a couple weeks, we see significant improvement in how much range of motion that we have in our ankle. In the meantime, if you want to keep doing the stuff that we gave you last week and add these on, you're more than welcome. If you want to just do these this week, that's fine too. You want to mix and match, we can understand that too, but give all of them a fair shot. Each one will help a different person a little bit, so give them all a shot. First thing we're going to do today is actually we're just going to roll the plantar fascia. So for us to do that, we need a ball. It can be a golf ball, although if you use it on carpet, it can sink in too much, you may not get enough out of it. I have a lacrosse ball, tennis balls work, frozen bottles of water are a great one that most people have a bottle of water at home that they can freeze. Other balls out there, tennis balls, baseballs, all of them work. So what we do, all we're going to do is we're going to set it on the ground and we're going to roll it all around the bottom of the foot, from the heel all the way to the ball of the foot there, side to side, front, back, all around. You may find some spots that, and I suggest having a wall near you to have something to hold on to, because we're not worried about balance while we do this. So roll it all around, front to back, side to side, a good amount of pressure. You can choose how much pressure you want. If you want to do this sitting down, you can do this sitting down too. But you want to just go all over the bottom of the foot, nice and easy. All right. Get that heel a little bit, like I said, all around. And you want to do this for a minute to a minute and a half per foot. And if you have plantar fascia issues, because we're rolling the plantar fascia, this can actually be a big help and help you just ease that a little bit there. So we're going to do that for about, like I said, a minute to a minute and a half per foot. All right, I'm not going to do the other one just for sake of the video here. Then I have this handy dandy roller. If you have a rolling pin, if you have a foam roller, if you have a golf clubs even work pretty good for this. We're going to actually roll what we call the anterior tibialis. It's a muscle that's right on the front of the shin here. Now, when I do this, there's a bone right here, your tibia, right? We don't want to roll on the bone, so we actually are going to, so I'm on my right leg here. I'm going to go to my right just a hair and actually angle it. I don't want it straight on. I want to angle it so it's more on that anterior tibialis, and I'm rolling up and down on the front of that shin there, all right? If you start rolling on the bone, you'll know, especially if you're using a golf club. And when it comes to a golf club, remember not to push too hard, because it's not going to roll, it's going to slide. So you don't want to actually bruise yourself really bad or anything like that. So just up and down it. And this one, you want to do 20 seconds, up and down. You can go out to the side, get a little bit of the peroneals if you want as well. Right there, anterior tib, and peroneals a little bit if you want. And then you'll switch and do the same thing on the other side for 20, 30 seconds. And that's this week Ankle Mobility Challenge moves.